Your hardwood floors are lifting or feel soft underfoot. The big question, can they be dried in place, or do they have to come out? Three things determine the answer: how long the water sat, what type of water it was, and what a moisture meter actually reads inside the wood. Cupping means the board edges are raised. That's actually the best case scenario. The wood is stressed but hasn't failed yet. Crowning and buckling mean damage has gone further. Buckling, boards lifting inches off the subfloor, almost always means tear out. Timing is everything. Drying that starts within 24 to 48 hours gives solid hardwood the best chance of being saved without removal. Water type matters too. Clean supply line water is very different from dishwasher gray water. And sewage or floodwater almost always means full replacement. A visual check isn't enough. Floors can look fine but still hold dangerous moisture levels inside. A moisture meter is the only way to know for sure. Pros use pin meters and pinless scanners together to map moisture deep in the wood and subfloor. The subfloor reading often decides everything. When drying is possible, crews use industrial dehumidifiers and floor drying mats to pull moisture out slowly and safely over 3 to 5 days. Don't wait and hope it dries on its own. Call the restoration group at 855-650-7422